What's going on, everyone? Thank you so much for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button. It helps the channel out tremendously. Plus, when I get to 10,000 subscribers, the wife's gonna let me retire. Anyways, so yeah, I haven't been this excited about a new product for my bike since I put on my first set of heated grips. Seriously. This is the Westwind Moto Ranger Wilds rackless system. And on the 390 right here, I have the Ranger Wilds 40, which is 20 liters per side. And on the 890, I have the Ranger Wilds 80, which is 25 per side, plus the 30 liter dry duffel bag. And I gotta say, the stuff is bomb proof. I've been testing it out for about 6 months. I've been mostly doing desert riding because it's the area I live in. I've done California BDR, some sections of that. I've been up to Arizona, Nevada, Utah, strictly desert riding, epic, moto camping, day trips, riding with my buddies, just having tools or whatever in this thing, or just whatever I needed to do for the situation, these had me covered. And I'm gonna show you right now, real quick, how easy it is to install, and then we'll talk about the luggage. So watch this. All right, guys, so for one of the grand finales here for tightening up this system, if you have some kind of soft racks on your bike, these straps right here that cinch up your luggage to the side actually has J-hooks, and I'm going to show you. Okay, so right here, these little straps we were talking about, and here are the J-hooks. So you undo that J-hook, undo that J-hook right there, pull them around your rack. Like that. This one could go around on this side. And just repeat on the other side. And what that does, as you can see right here, it pulls this whole bag right to the rack, which is well thought out and a killer design. And it just gives you an extra sense of security, knowing that your bags are not going to flop around. Just hooks them right to that rack. And it does the same on the Nomad racks that I have over on the 890. That is such a slick feature. Very, very clever. Anyways, that was kind of fun. So yeah, this stuff it's so good for the price. I just don't know what else to say. It has all the good stuff. It has all aluminum buckles and brackets. It has J-hooks that are super strong. Everything goes on really easy, comes off really easy. And the best thing about it is when you're done, you just pull the J-hooks off your system and everything stacks in a nice container flat. Other systems have these big stiffener plates and everything's bolted up. And it's kind of a pain in the butt to store, but this just comes apart and stacks. You can adjust the angles, and one side looks like it's off. You can adjust on the daisy chains how the angle sets. Actually, I have it on this one. I have it kicked up one notch on this side, so then they both look even. For some reason, that's just how it sits. But These kits come with everything you need to do the install. Heat shields, it comes with extra D-rings, it comes with pretty cool little thing right here. Comes a little bungee that you could either bungee on top of this bag or you can do it on something else. That way if you have wet gear or whatever, you can just strap it on the outside, and it comes with a machete. Just kidding. On the Ranger Wilds 80, it comes with a stiffener plate, which is made out of ABS. And you put the two sections together, left and right, and you can adjust it. But if I have the racks on here, so I don't need this. But if I was running a bike like this one right here, the Moto Morini, then I would definitely need the stiffeners. One of the key setups from Westwind Moto, especially on the 40-liter setup, is you could put different size bags on the side. Let's say you wanted to run it on a dual sport and you wanted smaller bags, these just come right off. They're held on by the daisy chains and the J-hooks. So what you do, you just pop the bags off. You can get 12-liter bags. You can get 6-liter bags. Whatever size you want, it all works together, which is amazing. So like you basically, the base plate is your base. And then you just add on what you want down the road. You might even, let's say you might even want to get 25-liter bags for your base plate, like these right here. Boom, you buy the 25-liter and you're set up. So the main part of this is the base plate, and you just add on after that, which is pretty dang smart. There's only one other brand I think that does it that way. It's Kariga. And yeah, I'm just glad that they're doing it, because you only have to have one item and you just build on that. All right, let's talk about the price of these things. As of right now, April 2026, this setup right here, just the 40 with no top bag, is running about 480 bucks. The 80-liter setup is running about 540. That is ridiculous price for what you get. These guys have a killer warranty. It's all bomb-proof. It comes with everything you need to do an install, and it looks good. I mean, this thing comes in 3 different colors. You can get it in like a desert storm, tan. You can get an army green like this one, or black. Same with this setup. So you have options. You know, you could accessorize it to your bike, whatever you want. Or if you love the army colors, like me, I wish they would have had this one in army when I got it, but they didn't. So I'm just glad I got this one, because this one looks amazing. So in conclusion, in my opinion, 2026, this is the best bang for the buck luggage you could get right now. There's just, for the value, there's nothing better. You could spend twice as much and get basically the same thing, or you could spend half as much and get something that's just as good as what's out there, if not better. And there are cheaper options out there, but they are cheaper. They're flimsy. The openings are small. Like these things right here, you can just undo these little clasps right here, and your bags slide in and out, no problem. My friends have the other brands, and they have to shove their bags in there and reach in, and there's a little strap you can pull, which these have the straps too. But these things slide in nicely. They give you ample room for the bags to go in and out, and then you just cinch everything up, which is unheard of. There's enough room in here where if this bag was stuffed, you still have enough room to slide some flip-flops in there, machete, whatever you want. You can put some regular shoes in there and still cinch it up. They give you so much, there's so much room in these things, it's crazy. I absolutely love it. And from being on many other trips with other bags that are so tight, it's so stressful because you have no room. It's better to go a little bit bigger and be able to cinch it up than have just a limited room and you're always stressing out. You might pick up some souvenirs on the way back on your trip and you want to stick them somewhere and you have no room. So you're just tying things down and you're stressing out about things flying out, burning on your exhaust, whatever, getting stuck in your chain. We've all seen it happen before. We know that guy, and you don't want to be that guy. So anyways, yeah, make sure you hit that link in the description and you will get, I believe, free shipping and a little bit of discount, and I'll make enough to buy a cup of coffee, which is super cool. Like I said, guys, I couldn't recommend this luggage anymore. I've been doing this for quite a while, and this stuff's great. You will not be disappointed. Again, thank you so much for watching. Stay safe on the trail. Peace. Hit that description.